We begin with continuing coverage tonight. A 55-plus housing community project comes to a halt. This is after a judge's decision Wednesday. Local 5's Megan McPherson has been following this story for us and now joins us live from that development. And Megan, you spoke to an investor today who put quite a bit of money into this development. What did he share with you?
Chanu, the future of this community has been up in the air for quite some time now. Construction began on these homes back in 2023, but despite the millions of dollars invested by contractors and buyers alike, these homes, many of them, as you can see, are unfinished, leaving the future unclear for both investors and buyers alike.
It was brought to me by a friend from college, and as an opportunity.
A promising opportunity to invest in Waukee's newest 55-plus community turned to money down the drain.
We were looking to park some money someplace for a little bit.
Private equity investor David Vaughter was one of many who saw the potential of this up-and-coming development, contributing tens of thousands of dollars to the cause. But the return on that investment came up short.
Come July of 2023, we were wondering where our check was.
That's because the developers of the property were preparing to file for bankruptcy in federal court, an attempt to reorganize their debts and recoup profits. But that attempt failed, as a federal court has now dismissed the case. Court documents show that the Ewings and their attorneys failed to submit required financial reports and other documents, all of which are grounds for dismissal.
Now we've lost a large chunk of our savings, retirement funds.
There are nearly 250 contractors, investors, and buyers listed as creditors in this case, and Vaughter is one of them.
Other people have hundreds of thousands of dollars invested in what they were looking forward to being their final resting place, so to speak.
And Chanu, this ongoing situation, has impacts far beyond Waukee or even Iowa, for that matter. That's because the Ewings have properties also under construction in states like Missouri and South Dakota, leaving, again, this situation unclear. All of these unfinished properties with no current plans to finish them. We're live in Waukee. Megan McPherson, Local 5 News.